Hello, dosto. Welcome to the Bollywood talk show on IWMBuzz. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome today over here the literal dharkan of so many women out there. I can't even count. मेरे दोस्त हैं, मेरे acquaintances, so many people. I really, really love this man, and they love him as well. The one and only Parth Samthaan. Thank you so much for being with us over here. It's a pleasure.
Thank you so much. Thank you, darling. Thank you so much for such a nice introduction, and I love the fact that you're still happy about that your friends speak about me, and I'm also happy that it's all good.
I have a small segment with you before I let you go. It's a small rapid fire segment before, I'm pretty sure it's going to be fun. So I have some questions for you.
Sure.
So the first question is, what is the color of your toothbrush? Do you have to recollect or you know instantly?
Pink.
Okay. That's nice because I'm being very serious. When I ask this, a lot of people actually have to think because even the smallest of things we tend to not remember. It's so casual in our lives. Yaad nahi rehta.
Yeah. No, there's a reason behind it. It's a soft brush because I'm supposed to use it. So it's funny.
Okay. If you could buy any kind of food right now and have, what would it be?
Chocolate mousse. I've been craving for it every day. This is my I have put on like 5 kgs in 10 days.
Yeah.
5 kgs in 10 days. I've eaten so much. Like post my Jaipur shoot, I've just gone on full food spree. I've eaten buffets every day, and I've been eating sweets every day. So I think
But I think it balances it out. Once you start working out, everything is going to be balanced.
Yeah, that's what I do. I'm an extremist person. I cannot balance. I cannot be like 24/7, 365 days. I will keep working out. No. I will give myself some time. 15 days, I will hog like anything. I will put on weight, and then I will completely give up. I can't two-time my food relationship. I can't. Either I date food or either I date workout. So I can't date both.
I see your stories. I see your stories on Instagram. There's some lovely food planners out there, so I can totally understand what you're talking.
Yeah. And I finished that off. That is not meant for stories, by the way. People think it's a story डालने के लिए खींचता है. Nothing of that sort. I make it a point that I finish it.
Yeah. I think that's most important. Okay. Anything that's there in your bucket list, but you're still yet to do that?
Oh, lot. I think travel a lot, many places all over the world. Like there are so many places that I've been wanting to go that I watch on Instagram and I sulk over it. कि यार मेरा कब time आएगा, मैं कब जाऊंगा, उधर कब जाऊंगा, इधर कब जाऊंगा. So that is what. So I think traveling is one to specific countries. Like I have at least 30-40 countries, just 30-40 countries. Yeah, and if someone makes me travel for free, then I would rather marry that person. But so I think traveling is one that thing comes to my mind right now.
Travel junkie you are, lovely. Okay, what is that one thing that annoys you the most? सबसे ज़्यादा गुस्सा आपको instantly आ जाता है?
2 चीजें हैं which all my close people know. One is traffic. Like instant.
That's there.
If I'm sitting in a car and especially when I'm driving, like people don't talk to me. Like they keep their mouth shut because they know, okay, so anything can go wrong. I'll just flip and I'll say anything because I look at traffic and I'm like, so I kind of avoid traffics. मैं एक तो actually कभी-कभी meetings plan करता हूँ ये देख करके दोपहर का शाम का वो किस वक्त traffic नहीं होता. तो एक तो वो दूसरी चीज I think repeating myself, like repeating in a sense के smallest example I'll give you कि आप खाने पे बैठे हो और आपकी माँ आपको खाना पका रही है, बेटा एक और रोटी ले लो, and I'm like नहीं माँ अभी मेरे बस हो गया, अभी एक रोटी बस हो, नहीं अरे बेटा एक तो रोटी ले लो, अब तो कितना पता होगा, नहीं माँ एक रोटी बस हो, अरे बेटा एक तो अरे माँ बोला ना नहीं चाहिए एक रोटी बस हो गया अब एक रोटी. That's something that like smallest things where I have to repeat myself. यार तू जा उधर नहीं जाना है, अरे तू जा मैं बोल रहा हूँ एक बार चले जा, नहीं जाना, अरे एक बार बोला ना जाना.
I'm going to remember all these pointers the day I meet you in reality so that I ensure कि मेरे से गलती कोई भी कुछ ना कर दूँ. Okay, the second last question that I have for you is, what is the favorite thing about someone in your family? It could be anyone. You can talk about your mom or someone else. The most favorite thing about that person.
The most favorite thing about my mom, I don't know. I mean, everything annoys me. everything. And we fight. Like cats and dogs, we fight. Yeah. But I think the one thing that you can't take that away, and I feel everyone in this goddamn planet that loves about their mother, it is their unconditional love. Irrespective of how many mistakes that we do, irrespective of how much anger that we throw upon, or how much attitude, or whatever, however tone we speak in, yes, they are hurt, they get emotional, but after an apology, they just immediately forgive us. Because, you know, it feels like they are just, you know, वो होता है ना एक फेविस्टिक का एक बॉन्ड है, वो चिपक गया है बस, अब वो तुम्हारे साथ ही forever. So that is pure. That is the most fantastic thing about them.
You know, that is why they say that, you know, any relation that you have in the world, your relationship with your mother is 9 months more than anyone else. So I think there's a reason behind they say that.
True that.
Absolutely. It's a beautiful saying. And you have those memes as well, ना कि जब दिल टूटता है तो तब सबसे पहले मम्मी का याद आता है. That is there. Anyway, last question before I let you go would be that what is one of your weirdest quirks? मतलब जो कि शायद it's difficult to explain to others, but you love it and you are satisfied कि हाँ मेरे को ये पसंद है. Is there anything like that?
Weirdest what?
Weirdest quirk.
Quirk?
Yeah. Anything that you have?
Oh, नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Oh, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I mean, I have a slang of saying, like I have this tone, and since years I've been like, for example, I am so straightforward and like straight face, poker face, that people are not able to figure out whether sometimes I'm wrong or sometimes I say it in a sarcasm manner or sometimes I actually mean it. But yeah, I have this weirdest thing that I need to get rid of. Like since years I've been saying this, कि अबे क्या चूतिया है, अबे क्या चूतियागिरी कर, अबे चूतिया तू, अबे चूतिया. So I have this thing of saying it again and again. So if people want to actually copy me or imitate me, this is the one word they say it, and then everyone realizes this is Parth.
You know, I'm going to do a stand-up comedy act आपके सामने when I meet you in person. I'm going to do this exactly. I hope you love it.
Sure.
Anyway, thank you. It's a pleasure having you. You're a legend. Hopefully, you will turn into one in the near future as well for a lot of people out there. All the best. Lots of love. Take care. God bless and stay safe. Wish you love and your family as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro. And thank you. And it was lovely talking to you. I had some great time actually, to be honest. And I enjoyed your conversation. And hopefully, we should get in touch again very soon. Okay?
Absolutely. I'll leave a message on WhatsApp as well very soon, and we'll be in touch till the time we meet. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless.
Yes.
Bye. Bye.